Hey, someone is riding a cycle right now. Let's go and check out. Hey, hi. Hi, hi. Hi, may I know your name?
Of course, Anjali it is.
Anjali, okay.
What about your name?
My name is Arun.
Okay.
And you're riding bicycle at this odd time.
Well, it's never an order for someone who loves to ride bike, right? And especially not for someone who has a bike as cool as this. I'm not boasting, but still.
Which brand is that?
Oh, it's Craddock, as you can see. It's
Okay.
a Craddock
Mhm.
Wolf.
Okay.
It's Craddock Wolf 21 speed.
Okay.
It's a very royal, elegant, minimalistic design.
Mm-hmm.
A minimalistic branding. And
Okay.
of course, black. I
Black.
love black. The cycle is black.
That I can see.
Black can never go wrong.
Okay.
And other than that, of course, it's an alloy frame.
Okay.
It's strong, it's light,
Mhm.
and of course you can see the design design of the top tube.
Mm-hmm.
It's friendly, it's unisex.
Mm-hmm.
Anyone can ride it,
Okay.
which makes me want to tell about the seat.
Mm-hmm.
It's one of the best
Mhm.
in this group. It's an Ergo PU saddle
Mhm.
with quick release, of course.
Okay.
So anyone can basically ride it.
Like, could you please tell me the rider's height, minimum rider's
Yes,
height?
this bike would actually fit anyone
Mm-hmm.
who is like a 5.3 plus, and I myself am 5.3, so
Okay.
I am able to ride this really comfortably. Then what? It has a wide handlebar, a Kenley headset.
Mm-hmm.
Then let's say if we come to the wheels,
Mhm.
it's a double wall alloy, and it has a alloy sealed hub,
Okay.
both front and rear.
Okay.
It has dual disc brakes, and of course,
okay.
look at these tires. They're so wonderful, right? Tanned tires.
Okay.
And yes, you know what the best part is?
Mm-hmm.
I would say it's fully
Please.
Shimano equipped. You won't believe
Okay, it's
it,
fully
right?
equipped with Shimano.
It's fully equipped with
Okay.
Shimano. It has a Shimano group set.
Mm-hmm.
As you can see, we have a Shimano EF 500 shifters.
Okay.
Then we have
Okay, it has
Shimano.
Shimano shifters.
Yes, it
okay.
has.
Okay.
Then it has the Shimano chain wheel.
Okay.
Then we can see it's Shimano Altus M310 front derailleur.
Yeah, it's Altus. It's
Yes,
written
it
there.
is. The Shimano original.
Okay.
Then there is the Shimano Acera M3020 rear derailleur.
Okay. So what about the free wheel then?
Oh, the freewheel. It's also Shimano, as you can see.
Okay.
It's a
yeah,
Shimano 7
it's written there. It's
Yes.
written there. And tire looks different actually. Something with red.
Yeah, it is. It is the best
Okay.
in the range for an MTB.
Okay.
And yes, oh, I almost forgot. It
What
actually comes with the
what's the bus then?
Zoom Acera Lockwood suspension.
Okay, that's the best one.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
And it also has a preload adjuster.
Uh-huh.
Yes. So whatever, no matter what your weight is, you will definitely get a
So
full
that's the
suspension
purpose.
travel. Yes.
Okay, that's the purpose of this.
Yes, you get to adjust the smoothness. Let's
Okay.
say the performance of a suspension, no matter what your weight is.
Uh-huh. We can adjust the.
Yes, it optimizes your ride, no
Okay.
matter what your weight is.
Uh-huh.
And it's an alloy frame, so you definitely.
Yes, I can see that. You know,
Yes.
it looks very sleek. You know, it's really elegant
But
actually.
it's that
It's
strong.
classy.
as well. Yes.
Okay.
As you can see, there is this stand is adjustable, and these pedals, they're alloy pedals.
Okay, it's alloy pedal.
Yes, these are alloy pedals.
Okay. And it looks so fantastic.
One for everyone, because that's how the bike is made. It's built
Mm-hmm.
to be an all-purpose, to be fun, to be a value buy. Anyone can actually ride this, and I'm sure anyone who will ride this will continue to ride this. Maybe at such odd hours also, because that's
Okay.
how cool this is.
Okay.
So is that it?
Yeah, I would like to know.
Anything else you
Yes,
want to know
yes,
about my bike?
yes. I would like to know one more thing, where you can get it. Actually, this product, and what is approx budget on this?
A good question, actually. I basically bought this bike directly from their website.
Okay.
But it is available on every major platform, I would say Flipkart, Amazon. You can buy from wherever you like.
Okay.
And they also have some of discounts running on their website, so you can check it out if anyone wants it.
Mm-hmm.
So yes, that's pretty much
Yeah. Yes,
it.
that's it. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time.
Sure. It is definitely an odd hour, so I should take a leave.
Yes. Yes.
But
Please.
I'll definitely see you around.
Yes. See you around then.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.